Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable tax deduction checklist with Keeper Tax easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with the tax deduction checklist using Keeper Tax, open the Keeper Tax app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Deductions tab on the main menu. Click on the Deductions tab to access the deduction features. You will see a list of potential tax deductions available for your business. To create your checklist, locate the Create Tax Deduction Checklist button. Click on that button to begin setting up your checklist. You will be prompted to choose which types of deductions you want to add. Select the relevant categories based on your business expenses. After selecting your categories, click the Next button to proceed. Now, you can customize each deduction by adding specific details. For each deduction, provide information such as the amount spent, date of purchase, and a brief description. Once you have filled in the details for each deduction, review the entries for accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Save button to save your checklist. You can access your checklist at any time from the Deductions tab. Prepare to easily track your expenses year-round with this organized deduction checklist. Lastly, make sure to update your checklist regularly as new expenses arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.